Hi everyone, I'm Kavita Chitani and I'm representing Homidhan here. Homidhan means solution in Assamese. You can pronounce it as Homidhan or maybe Samadhan in Hindi. So we are called Homidhan and not any other thing. With that, I start our presentation. What we plan is we plan to make this presentation very short and we are open for questions then. So first is what we will divide our presentation to 4 main points. First is who are we? What are we, and what do we do and how we are unique. That's all. So who are we? We are Homidhan, which provides primarily career counseling services free to people who are from the Northeast. So why Northeast? The first question comes. Northeast is one of the most information-starved regions of this country. If I could share with you, while I was studying, I'm from the Northeast, I'm from Assam. Most of my colleagues at Homidhan are also from Assam. So when we were studying, even though we studied at good schools of Assam, we had very little information to know how to go about it, what to do next. And that's why the idea, that's where the idea originated. Second thing is, what are we? As I said, we provide career counseling services free, online, to all students, to anybody who bothers to ask us questions. Just a second, I'll just present. Can I take that slide? What are we? We are a group of 308 counselors, subject matter experts, if you can call them. We have subject matter experts in 32 subjects, including agriculture, including animation, including drawing, dramatics, you name it, and we have it. Anyway, we have divided them into 32 main groups. And when people ask us questions on a website, it comes to us, the system is automated, and then we answer queries based on the expertise of the subject matter expert and the question that is asked for. We will just demonstrate you shortly how our website actually works. What makes Homidhan unique? As I told you, there is the Northeast, primarily Mizoram, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. There's lack of information about how to go about things. Most of these regions, most of these states are militancy infested, and that's why the problem of information dissemination is that much higher. So when we answer questions, we keep in mind, because we are from that region, we keep in mind the socio-economic needs of our people, and then we answer questions based on that. And solutions are not sermons. It's basically in keeping in mind the specific needs, and it's more empathic rather than sermonizing, and we try to do that. If we could give you an example of our reach, shortly we received, I guess it was in January, we received an email from a student who was willing to take admission in one of the colleges. Actually, it was from the sister of the student, and he had already paid some amount of the money, and then he wanted us to say whether this college is good enough or not. So one of our counselors actually visited the college. We found out that it was a distance education center of a university based in North India. It was a BE Education Institute, and we told this to the student, and the student in a timely manner, he was able to pull back from that. I guess that I just wanted to show you our website and how we go about it. Should I just, how do I open this website? It's all gone. Till date, we have answered 1,358 questions, as in from topics relating to animation, teaching, to engineering. One of our goals was also to bring in more of entrepreneurial spirit in our people, and also to take them away from conventional careers. Like everyone there wants to be an engineer or a doctor, and nobody knows whether this is the right career option for them or not. So that was one of our goals. I'll just take you through our website. I'd open the website here. Yes, this is the website. So this is our website. if you wish to answer a question to us, you just need to go here, click on it, and then it has a few columns, name, of course, email ID, where the answer will go to, phone number, optional. If we feel like, we also call the student concerned or the questioner concerned. What is the current education level of that person? What's the question? Mark secured. We do this because we need to give them real answers rather than giving them vague, idealist answers. We want to give them real answers, answers which they can work on. And what is the aim? Actually, if you see the scheme of the questionnaire, it's very simple, because the person who is asking us questions may not have a very good command on language. So it's important for us to keep it as simple as possible. So we'd see marks secured in previous examination, I want to become, rather than what is your aim or what's your ambition. We've kept this question very simple. Brief description of educational background, etc. We ask this person. And if need be, we also ask additional questions. We take around 15 days to send a reply. So as I told you, we have 308 counselors divided into 32 main career fields. So once a question comes to us, as on date, we have some human intervention, as in where the student asks us a question, the administrator selects a group of individuals who have selected themselves to be subject matter experts in that domain. Say if a person wants to be a farmer and he wants to know how should I go about doing, say, tea plantation. So we have a few agriculture specialists who have expert domain knowledge of that area. The question is sent to them. They answer. The administrator here, sitting here, collates them and send back the question.
I think we'll need to wrap up because there's absolutely no time. Could you come over this side? We'll just put maybe one. Yeah, okay. So let's just take one very quick question. Go ahead.
How do you make money? How much do you charge for solving? Or is it not free of cost?
It's completely free of cost. 308 people, everybody is working toward.
So there is no funding or anything at all?
Sir, actually, as I told you, we are a group of committed people here. So most of the work, which you see, most of the thing is online. So our website is made by our own counselors. We have around we spend around 20,000 rupees in a year. That's the maximum spending. We pay 1,000 rupees every month to an administrator who does the automated work like sending questions. We also have a few core team members who
assist. So where's the money from?
So it's our own thing, and also we have a link of Flipkart on our website actually, and then every time you click on it, we get some money out of it.
Okay.
So there's a request, anytime you want to purchase something from Flipkart, please go to our website, click on it so that you also get some money.
Okay, good idea. All right, thank you. Thank you very much indeed. We move to Khan Academy.